Here's a quick preview of Gilded app, Chat Stats LFG app. It's like a Discord for gaming, so it's like chatting app for gamers, for gaming communities. It's the best app for gaming chat. Gilded is a perfect for gaming with friends, clans, guilds, communities, esports, LFG, and teams, and it's free. Get unlimited emotes, any server forever. Powerful servers, made for gaming. Gilded supports your favorite games, including Among Us, Genshin Impact, Call of Duty, Warzone, Destiny 2, Roblox, GTA 5, Dota, Minecraft, all of that. It's pretty cool. It's like a chatting app for gaming, and it looks super similar to Discord. It's like a clone of Discord. So while you're creating your account, yeah, you can create your account with email and password. It's not possible to sign in with Google or Apple, something like that. And then you just created your account. You can create your own server, like your own channel, chat, or you can just find and join some other people's servers. So let's just take a look. There are pro servers, there are verified servers, top supporters. So here I can just join some gaming and development. Okay, so I still need to verify email to join some servers. Okay, let's just do it. Yeah, so just for your information, you can't join servers without really verifying your email. That's good. Less spam is good. Great. Hopefully now I can join that. So now I've joined that, then I can just join this server. And then that's how it looks like. Yeah, you can also invite friends, upload profile picture for your account, send a message. So yeah, that's basically how it works. And then you can just browse around. You can, yeah, you have different channels. You can, yeah, you can assign a role. Like you just follow all these steps here. So that's basically the idea. And then here is your own server. And then for some servers, you need to verify yourself. So yeah, that's basically that. So there are different servers. Then you can find direct messages. Then here is your account. Then there is your profile. Then you can see all the activity. Then in the bottom right, you can see your settings, support, feedback. There is also some referral program, just in case. You can invite friends. Here is my invite code, so you can use that just in case. So you are 5 invites away from getting 1 stonk. For every 5 people you invite, you will get an exclusive stonks flare to show off to everyone. Great. So that's that. You can change your status here. You can see your profile, change your profile picture, add games you like, add media. You will see your feed. So that's basically that. Hope it is helpful. Thank you for, yeah. And then there are like settings, advanced. You can enable developer mode. Then there is privacy. And then you can edit account, and then from here you can delete your account. So just in case you're concerned about your privacy, you can do it in the app, which is cool.